Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get 10,000 followers in 24 hours. So if you are looking for 10,000 followers, I'm going to show you how to get 10,000 followers on TikTok in 24 hours. What you have to do is watch this video till the end. I'm going to walk you step by step on how to get it. So all you have to do is watch this video till the end. So let's go into the video.
Hello guys, all you have to do now is to go straight to your TikTok app. Open your TikTok app. So head over to profile. Go and it will load. So it is loading. So as you can see, I'm following 300 people and then I'm having 100 followers. So all you have to do now is to click on this plus icon here. As you can see, then you will see suggested friends. So all you have to do is to follow them up. Follow them up as much as you can. Keep following. Keep following. Please watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you the way on how to do it. Make sure you watch the video till the end. Keep following them up. Follow up to 6,000 people. Yes, then come back to your normal account. Come back to normal, as you can see. So now we are going to wait for 2 hours, so we will see the result out. As you can see, 2,443 people are following me now. And now I have followed 6,364 people, and then 2,000 people follow back. So if you follow up to 10,000 people, and this is just 2 hours, this is just 2 hours. If you follow up to 10,000 people between 24 hours, 5,000 will follow back, and before the other day, all of them will follow back. So all you have to do is to follow them. Follow many people as you can. They will definitely follow you back.
Please, if you find this video helpful, please hit on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Thank you all. See you in my next video. Bye.